Hi guys, this is VNfatBIKER Studio. Happy New Year and belated Merry Christmas na rin. Medyo nadali ang ating mga gadget na 4 giveaways to you, no? So meron tayong first video, which is the drones. I have 3 drones here. Okay, I think you know the mechanics already. Kung hindi nyo alam ang mechanics, balikan nyo yung video na naglagay ako kung paano kayo makakasali at maging legit na qualified dito and how to be a winner. Okay, wag natin patagalin pa ito. Let's get it on. But first, please subscribe and hit the bell icon na rin para every week matutunghayan nyo ang lahat ng mga weekly gadget review ko, drone filming at mga iba pang mga unboxing review. Tara, simulan na natin to. Quick lang to, ano ba laman nito? And then ayaw ko nang galawin, ayaw na pakilaman ang loob nito. Quick view lang. And then para makapag-comment na kayo, nabubulol na naman ako kasi atat na ako dito sa ating giveaways. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, I have 3 foldable drones here. Okay, as you can see, ito ang ating first giveaways, the first video that you need to comment properly, okay, para maging qualified. Okay, and then I'm giving you around 48 hours. Okay, I'm giving you around 48 hours. Ba pecha ngayon? 29. Oh no, I'm giving you, okay, I'm giving you 24 hours lang pala. 24 hours to comment. Lahat pasok na kayo. Okay, comment base doon sa mechanics na sinabi ko. Okay, let's open, unbox this one. Very quick lang, pero ayaw ko nang buksan lahat kasi baka masira. Hindi sa akin to, para po sa inyo to. Okay, hindi siya DJI, hindi siya Hubsan, but again, thanks for the sponsor for giving us this what do you call this? Fold drone. No, fold drone. Okay, model LF606. Okay, as you can see, I have color color red here. Okay, color red, color white, okay, color white, pero regional pen right, white ang nakalagay. Okay, and we have color black. So tatlo ang pinadala po sa atin at sa inyo po ito. Okay, so now magbubukas tayo ng isa. Okay, may kulay pula. Okay, patigal ako, inaantok na rin ako. Okay, sample lang, no? So may i-unbox, no? Isa fold drone, hindi siya kalaki yan, no? So parang practice drone na rin para masanay na rin kayo. And as you can see, sinasabi dito ay Wi-Fi na rin siya. Okay, Wi-Fi drone. Okay, so again guys, finish the video and then comment. Okay, pag mali ang comment at ano yung comment, bahala kayo. Watch the mechanics video. Okay lang, ayaw kong magkulang at ayaw kong masira, dahil hindi sa akin to. Okay, ito ang laman. Andito ang full manual paano nyo gagamitin, paano nyo instruction ng paggamit ng drone na to. Okay, sa inyo na po ito. So makikita nyo may mga ilang accessories, may charging pin. Okay, may charging pin tuloy, charger, okay, na may USB. Ayan, mayroong mga propeller. Okay, may mga propeller. Okay, at ito po yung ating controller, as you can see. Okay, ano nyo na lang, kalikutin nyo na paano ito gumagana, no? May battery operated. Supposed to be may pinipinto charger ito para umangat at ilalagay yung cellphone nyo na parang ganito. Okay, hindi ko na bubuksan, ha, bubuhayin. And ito po ang ating mini drone. Okay, as you can see. Okay, ito po ang ating mini drone. Pag nakatiklop, pag ganyan, baka masira ako, ha. Oops, ayan. Okay, ito pa at ito pa. Okay, so ito po ang ating first video for the drone. Okay, sa inyo po ito. And then may power on button, dito yung battery, may lightings dito, okay, propeller, and then that's it. Okay guys, so this is the first sabihin natin, box natin, masira ko ba ito. Okay guys, this is our balik to data. Okay, this is our first, okay, this is our wala sa video, ito pala. Okay, this is our first, ayan, sineseto ko para magaw thumbnails. So okay, this is our first video gadget review for my giveaways. This is a drone, mini drone, foldable drone. Okay, this is a basic drone only, don't expect high-end. And thanks for the sponsor for sending me this one. At ito ay sa inyo na. So now, start commenting. Okay guys, so you have 24 hours para mag-comment, and after 24 hours on the gabi ng December 30, that's tomorrow, at 30 bukas, no? Okay, I'll give you hanggang December 31 morning, saka i-raffle ko to, and then I will have a video also who will be the winner. And then ipapadala ko sa inyo na free rin via LBC. Shipping free, but wait, there's more. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, let's get it on. Bye-bye. Happy New Year to all!